Hello and welcome back to our channel. If your visa was refused recently, I'm sure you're asking this big question: should I appeal the refusal, request a review, or just reapply? Each of these options, appeal, review, and reapplication, serves different purposes, and making the wrong choice can cost you time, money, and even your immigration opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to break down the difference between them. My name is John, an immigration advisor for law and visas. Let's start with an appeal. You can only appeal a visa refusal if your application involves human rights grounds. For example, a family visa, a spouse or partner visa, or refusals that affect your right to live with family in the UK. In an appeal, you're asking an independent immigration judge to review your case and decide whether the Home Office made the wrong decision. It's a legal process, and it often involves submitting legal arguments, providing strong supporting documents, possibly attending a hearing, having legal representation. If your case qualifies for an appeal, it's good, but only if handled professionally. Next is the administrative review. This is not a full legal appeal, and it only applies to certain visa categories like work visas, e.g., skilled worker visas, student visas, other visas under the points-based system. Here, you are not arguing your case in court. Instead, you're telling the Home Office that you made a mistake, so they should please look at your application again. But here's the catch: you cannot submit new evidence during a review. You must submit the request within 14 days if inside the UK or 28 days if outside the UK. So timing is critical, and you must be sure the refusal was due to an error. Now let's talk about reapplication. This means starting fresh with a new visa application. You may want to reapply if your refusal was because of missing documents. You now have better supporting evidence, or the original application was rushed or not done professionally. Reapplying can be faster and cheaper than an appeal in many cases, but it must be done properly with the right documents, properly formatted, and a solid explanation letter to address the previous refusal. Choosing between an appeal, review, or reapplication isn't something you should guess. Each case is unique. That's why we start with a detailed consultation where we review your refusal letter, assess your eligibility and visa history, recommend the most effective path, and guide you every step of the way. If you've received a visa refusal, don't panic and don't waste time. Click the link below to book a consultation today, or send us a WhatsApp message to speak with one of our immigration lawyers.